Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about fast forward git merge. Now as part of this video we are going to first create one new branch, then going to make some changes and commit into that branch. Then we are going to finally merge the change to the master branch. So first we are going to check the git status. So git status, and here branch is clean. Now let's see the branches. I have only master branch, so I'm going to create one new branch and I will use checkout command to create branch and switch to that new branch. Now I am already in this new branch, so now let's edit one of the file. So I'm going to open apple.txt, and here I will add one more line, line 3, and then going to save this data. After this we'll check the git status again. So git status, and we can see one of the file has been modified. Let's see the difference. So I have added line 3 here. Now let's clear the screen, and now we are going to commit the change, and I'm using add and commit at once. So git commit -am, and then just give the commit message. So what data has been committed. Now let's check the status. Again, it's the clean working directory. So I'm going to check out to master branch. Now in this master branch we can check the status. It's clean working directory here also. Now let's read the apple.txt file. We can see here we have only line 2. Line 3 we added in new branch. So we are going to merge that change to the master branch. So git merge and branch name. Now it's a fast forward merge, and if we'll check the log here, this log will be important when we'll apply no fast forward that time and fast forward merge. Both the log will be different. So here we can see master and new branch are pointing to the same commit. Now let's check the apple.txt file, and I can see here line 3 is there. Now let's see the branches. So new branch is here. I can delete this new branch, and now we again have only master branch. So thanks for watching.